Welcome to today's video, Credit Suisse Crisis, the Past, Present, and Future. In the next few minutes, I'll take you on a riveting journey through the roller coaster ride of one of the world's leading financial institutions. You'll learn about the infamous scandals that shook Credit Suisse to its core, the critical decisions that have shaped its present situation, and the various paths it could take in the future. If you're intrigued by financial drama and eager to understand what lies ahead for this banking giant, you're in the right place. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of Credit Suisse. Credit Suisse, a leading Swiss bank, has been facing a turbulent period with its stock value dropping significantly. This crisis can be traced to two significant scandals: Greensill Capital and Archegos Capital Management. Greensill Capital, a supply chain finance company, filed for insolvency in March 2021, exposing Credit Suisse to billions in losses. The Archegos scandal unfolded later that month when the family office failed to meet margin calls, leading to massive losses for Credit Suisse and other banks. These scandals highlighted Credit Suisse's risk management failures and led to management and strategic changes. Key executives, including the chief risk officer and the head of investment banking, were replaced, and the bank's risk management processes were overhauled. Credit Suisse is now focused on regaining investor confidence and navigating the ongoing crisis. The outcome remains uncertain, but it's clear that the bank's past mistakes, such as its involvement with Greensill and Archegos, have significantly contributed to the current situation. Credit Suisse is currently grappling with a liquidity crisis as the bank faces significant financial losses due to scandals involving Greensill Capital and Archegos Capital Management. In response, the Swiss National Bank, the SNB, has agreed to provide liquidity support to Credit Suisse, temporarily stabilizing the bank's financial position. The SNB's decision to assist Credit Suisse highlights the central bank's commitment to maintaining the stability of the Swiss financial system amidst this turmoil. Meanwhile, the US Treasury is closely monitoring Credit Suisse's exposure to US markets, as it is concerned about the potential impact of the bank's crisis on the broader financial system. Authorities are evaluating the bank's risk management practices and the extent of its interconnectedness with other financial institutions. In a recent development, the Saudi National Bank has declined to purchase additional shares of Credit Suisse, as it wants to have at most 10% ownership. This decision highlights the cautious approach being taken by investors in the wake of Credit Suisse's ongoing challenges. With the support of the Swiss National Bank, the SNB, Credit Suisse is expected to stabilize its financial situation, paving the way for an economic recovery. The SNB's liquidity assistance demonstrates the central bank's commitment to the Swiss financial system, which should in turn help restore investor confidence in Credit Suisse. As Credit Suisse works to address the challenges posed by past scandals, the bank is expected to focus on strengthening its balance sheet and improving its risk management practices. By taking these measures, Credit Suisse can mitigate the likelihood of future crises and demonstrate its commitment to long-term stability. With the support of the SNB, Credit Suisse is well positioned to stabilize its financial situation and work towards a gradual recovery. The bank's continued efforts to address past issues and reinforce its balance sheet will be vital in restoring investor confidence and ensuring a more resilient future. As Credit Suisse navigates the challenges posed by recent scandals and the liquidity crisis, one possible strategy is a significant restructuring or a bank breakup. This process could involve selling off non-core assets, spinning off specific units, or consolidating operations to focus on the bank's core strengths and functions. Selling off non-core assets could give Credit Suisse much needed capital and allow it to concentrate on its most profitable divisions. This move would help streamline operations and improve efficiency, bolstering the bank's financial standing. Another option for Credit Suisse is to spin off specific units. By separating these units from the leading organization, the bank could create standalone entities that are more agile and better equipped to address the unique challenges of their respective markets. This move could make it easier for Credit Suisse to offload any potential liabilities associated with these units, improving the parent company's financial health. Finally, Credit Suisse could consider consolidating its operations, merging or eliminating certain divisions, and focusing on its core business areas. This approach would help the bank reduce costs, improve resource allocation, and enhance its risk management capabilities. Credit Suisse can better position itself for growth and long-term stability by concentrating on the most promising sectors. The future outlook for Credit Suisse may involve significant restructuring or even a breakup as the bank seeks to recover from recent challenges. By selling off non-core assets, spinning off specific units, or consolidating its operations, Credit Suisse can create a leaner, more focused organization capable of weathering future storms and capitalizing on emerging opportunities. As Credit Suisse works to overcome recent setbacks, including the scandals involving Greensill Capital and Archegos Capital Management and the liquidity crisis, the bank may entertain the possibility of an acquisition or merger to strengthen its position and secure long-term stability. An acquisition or merger could provide Credit Suisse with several benefits. First, it could lead to cost savings through economies of scale and streamlined operations. By combining resources, Credit Suisse and its potential partner could achieve operational efficiencies to help both organizations reduce expenses and improve their financial standing. Second, a merger or acquisition could bring in new expertise and skills, allowing Credit Suisse to address its challenges better. This might include risk management, compliance, and governance improvements, critical areas where Credit Suisse has experienced recent issues. Furthermore, an acquisition or merger could expand Credit Suisse's market share and client base, enabling the bank to capitalize on new growth opportunities. With an enhanced presence in critical markets, Credit Suisse could increase its revenue potential and improve its competitive position. However, there are also risks associated with an acquisition or merger. Integrating two large financial institutions can be complex and challenging, with potential obstacles including cultural differences, regulatory hurdles, and effectively combining operations and technology systems. The future outlook for Credit Suisse may involve considering an acquisition or merger as a path to recovery and long-term stability. While such a move could offer benefits like cost savings, expanded expertise, and increased market share, it also comes with inherent risks and challenges. As Credit Suisse weighs its options, the bank's decision will significantly impact its future trajectory and the broader financial landscape. Despite recent interventions and support from the Swiss National Bank and efforts to address past scandals, Credit Suisse may face potential challenges. The road to recovery will likely be long and complex with various obstacles. First, they must address ongoing regulatory scrutiny and potential legal action. The fallout from the scandals has placed the bank under a microscope, with regulators closely monitoring its activities. Navigating the legal landscape and potential fines or penalties will be a critical challenge that could hinder Credit Suisse's ability to rebuild its reputation and restore investor confidence. Second, restoring trust among clients and investors will take time and consistent efforts. Credit Suisse's reputation has taken a significant hit due to recent events, and it may need help to attract new clients or maintain existing relationships. This could result in slower growth and a reduced ability to compete with its peers in the financial sector. Additionally, the bank must focus on strengthening its risk management and compliance systems. Failures in these areas contributed to the recent crises, and Credit Suisse must invest in improvements to prevent future incidents. This may include hiring new talent, implementing stricter controls, and allocating resources toward enhanced monitoring and reporting. Finally, Credit Suisse may face challenges from broader economic uncertainties such as market volatility, geopolitical tensions, and the ongoing impact of the banking crisis. These external factors can affect the bank's performance and further complicate its path to recovery. Credit Suisse's future outlook includes several ongoing struggles that may hinder its recovery. The bank must overcome challenges to achieve long-term stability and success by navigating regulatory scrutiny, rebuilding trust, strengthening risk management, and dealing with broader economic uncertainties. In today's video, we've deeply explored the ongoing situation surrounding Credit Suisse. We've discussed the background of the bank's recent struggles, including the Greensill capital and the Archegos capital management scandals and the management and strategic changes that followed. We also looked at the current liquidity crisis, the support from the Swiss National Bank, and the US Treasury's evaluation of Credit Suisse's exposure. We've explored the bank's future outlook, touching upon the possibilities of stabilization and recovery, restructuring or breakup, an acquisition or merger, and its continued challenges. Through it all, Credit Suisse will need to navigate the complex landscape of legal, regulatory, and economic uncertainties to achieve long-term success. Thank you for joining me in this comprehensive analysis of Credit Suisse's current situation and prospects. If you found this content valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more insightful financial discussions. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day.